you are new here, very nice to meet you, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. Okay, I'm in Kano right now, Kano State in Nigeria, and as you can tell from my previous video, I decided to do a little room tour. Please ignore the background noise. These people are cleaning and it's echoing. It's just everywhere is echoing actually. The room is echoing. So this hotel is really beautiful. I love it. I love it. So this is the entrance of the hotel. It looks so beautiful. There are tiles everywhere, like it's so nice. I had to take pictures, trust me. Yes, this is the reception, and I took a lot of pictures here. I love this chandelier in particular. It's so beautiful. I like the colors, the combinations. I like the natural colors they used for the reception, and this raffia seat over here was my favorite. Well, let's go on to the pricing. I went for the cheapest room. That's like 26,000 naira. That's a standard room. And although there are other beautiful rooms, I didn't bother to check. I was just in a hurry and I wanted to just settle in. So while I was checking this out, I asked them to spray insecticides in the room because I saw mosquitoes. So let's go upstairs where my room is. I like the fact that there are mirrors everywhere. I love to stare at the mirror, check myself out, and even dance in front of the mirror. I don't know if anyone's like me that likes to dance in front of the mirror. If you are, please leave a comment down below. Okay, now let's head on to the room. I love this walkway, the bright lights, so perfect for pictures. This is like a rich man's house, you know. Okay, let's head on to the proper room tour. Okay, now come in. This is amazing. The wallpaper is pretty, and this little dressing table right here where I just decided to take a cup of tea because it was cold and it was Hamatan. And that little note that shows the numbers to call. Another mirror again. Okay, so there's this beautiful mat for praying. You know, they are mostly Muslims, so they pray with this mat, and it's made in Turkey. So nice, so nice. This is the bathroom. This one's just a basic bathroom anyway. Doesn't have a tub and all of that good stuff. It's just a basic bathroom, which, well, I don't have issues with. It's just one night anyway. And then the room. Well, I didn't like the fact that this was just basic, and I didn't open the windows because, yeah, the mosquito nets were not really nice. And this bed, the headboard will have been better than this, but it's fine. This is the wardrobe, contains a few clothes, and that's it. Pretty, right? I decided to come in to make this video. Okay, so the hotel is so nice, so beautiful. You can already see that, and I'm loving every bit of it. The structure is lovely. The interior decor is amazing. Notice that they invested so much money in the interior, so much money, which is a good one. So when I got in, the only thing I noticed was the Wi-Fi. They apologized that the Wi-Fi was down, and then I didn't get to use the Wi-Fi. So it's sad that I only have one night to spend here. I would have loved to take pictures everywhere. For me, that like taking pictures. Okay, so I talked about mosquitoes in Kano. If you have not watched my previous video, I'm going to link it somewhere here. So please go watch it. And also the bed. One thing I didn't like about the bed is it's quite hard. I don't know if it's orthopedic mattress, but I'm not a fan of orthopedic mattresses. I love soft beds, so that's one for me. So there's complimentary breakfast. I'm going to place you have to order in. It's not a buffet. You order in, you order what you want, and then that's it. Because I'm in a hurry to go out, I'm not sure I'm going to have breakfast. But just have a look at this beauty, such a beauty. So that's the end of this video. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post videos like this. To my next video. Bye.